He just left it there for his homeboy. He's about to go get another one. And here's his homeboy about to grab it and bring it over there. One more come down, we're bringing more down. So we got two ants right here about to be like, alright, I'm gonna bring it. No, I'm gonna bring it. They're so programmed to do it. Look at that. They're tuggling. He won. He's out. Let me see. That's nature right here, baby. He's got a long journey. We're gonna try to follow him. He's got a long journey. Let's get a better view of him. Told you he's got a long journey. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he picked it up again. Oh, he's dropping it. Don't drop it, they'll take it from you. Oh, he brought it down. He was like, oh, low ceiling. Alright, let's not lose him. I got sight of him, don't worry. Right here. It's this first one right here. So it's going down this little pathway right here. Concrete, as you can see. It's in right there. He's pretty fast actually. He has a smaller piece than some of them. Right here. So right now he's sideways. Now what's going on here? Is he trying to grab it? Oh, and he took it. He left it for him. And he's going back. Alright, he's going back. He took it from him. So, it's right here. It's right here. What they gonna do with it? What's he gonna do with it? Do you see the teamwork? So first, one of them cut the leaf, brought it all the way down to the root, and left it there for the guy to bring it all the way over here. I mean the other ant. And then this one right here basically just grabbed it from here at this point. You see that? And the other one went back to get another one. So now this little ant, which is a smaller one, is carrying this big ant. So I think they're just training him. Look at that. That's a little one. So he just passed it to a little one. He's having a hard, he's struggling with that. But this is how he learns. Look at that. That's a little one bringing it back all the way. There you go. He got it. A little better. You see that? I think I can. I think I can. What can nature teach us? Huh? What can nature teach us? He's having a hard time. So I just wanted to show you guys that. He's gonna make his journey over there. He's in training right now. I want to show you guys where these ants are really going. Look at that. There's so many of them. We're gonna follow them. Where are they headed? Right now they're going down the wall. I told you it's a long journey. It could take a long journey. And eventually, they basically crawl out of the yard, and then you go into nature. Going right there. So they're basically going outside the yard boundary. You know, that's the fence. They can't go over there anymore. So that's the journey of the little ants. And let's see if we can find the little one that was trying to bring it. So these are smaller. So I see what they're doing. They got the little smaller ants trying to bring it from here. Where's our little friend? Where's our little friend, huh? Oh, there he goes. I think that's it right there. It's our little friend. I think he got the hang of it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to show you guys, this is just in my yard right here. You know, this is what's going on, nature all over the place. Birds, butterflies, flowers growing, we're growing food, you know, birds all over the place. Let me show you guys. That's lemon tangerine, we call lemon mandarina, limon mandarina. Tangerine is really juicy. Look at those beautiful flowers. She got the beautiful flowers. So yeah, Hawa, peace out, much love and respect. That was the journey and cooperation and teamwork and accomplishment of the ants and nature. What can we learn from it? What can we learn from nature? There goes our little friend right there. I can tell by the leaf and his size. The way Alright, bye little friend. Goodbye little friend.